The RSPB Puffin and Gannet cruises are run until Sunday the 5th of August. Published, 9:25 Thursday the 10th of May 2018. People can now get aboard the famous Yorkshire Belle pleasure cruiser to witness an amazing wildlife spectacle involving around 500,000 seabirds. Razorbills, guillemots, fulmars and kittiwakes are never far from the action, and even porpoises have been known to pop up unexpectedly. Sailings set out from Bridlington Harbour every weekend until Sunday the 5th of August, with staff and volunteers from the RSPB East Riding local group on board to point out what's happening and help identify the seabirds. Cruise coordinator, Kim Smalls, said, "Now in their 29th year, these mini adventures are definitely one of the highlights for visitors to this stretch of Yorkshire's heritage coast, that has Bempton Cliffs at its heart. Teaming up with Eventbrite has made getting a ticket much more convenient. It couldn't be easier to make sure of a place on board now. Prices are, adult £27.50, child £13.25, RSPB members, adult £22.50, child £11.25. Booking is now open at eventbrite.co.uk, just search Puffin Cruise.